Hello everyone, today we will take a look at the differences between our fanless equipment, silent fan equipment and the ordinary fan equipment. From the appearance, the fanless device has no fan, you can see. Well, the silent fan device has the same appearance as the ordinary fan device. Okay, next, let's feel the sound of the device. Okay, this is our decibel tester, and we first test the ordinary fan equipment. Okay, let's set the parameters. You can see. We first set the working mode to 20. 20 means that the reactive source mode, and next we set the reactive coefficient to 30. 30 means that the device will emit a capacitive reactive current with a peak value of 30. Okay, next we start running. Okay, you can see the output current become 21. And then let's look at the decibel tester. Okay, this is our silent fan equipment, and then we set the DC voltage target to 600. Okay, let's see. This one. Okay, the fan will rotate. Okay, let's see. Okay, finally, let's listen to the sound of the fanless device when it's running. Okay, first we set the parameters. We set the mode to 20. 20 represents the reactive power source mode. And next, we set the reactive coefficient to 25. 25 means that the device will emit a capacitive reactive current with a peak value of 25. Okay, next we run the device. Okay, let's see the output current is to 17, and okay, let's see the decibel tester. Okay, that's all my device.